Brandon are doing a video on nested if functions, and hopefully it will help you understand how to use them. Now I'm going to tell you what an if function and nested if function is. An if function returns one value when the condition is true, and returns another value when the condition is false. A nested if function is basically an if function inside of another if function. Now Brandon will show you how it works.
Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to show you how to run nested if functions using a fictitious company that we've got employees and salespeople for. And their bonus criteria are over here. Anyone that made below $80,000 in sales gets no bonus. 80 to 90 is 18%, 90 to 100 is 20%, and over $100,000 in sales is 25%. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go to the cell in the bonus column. You're going to click Formula, Logical If, and this window will come up. It'll then reference cell B2, and then it will put greater than or equal to 100,000. And if that's true, we want the data in cell B2 to be multiplied by 0.25 and leave false alone right now. And it returns false, and that's what we want it to do because it's got nothing for false. Now when we put a comma in, it'll bold the value of false. I'll click logical if, and a new if statement comes up. We want to do the same thing. It's greater than or equal to, but this time we want it to be 90,000. And if that is true, we want that data cell to be multiplied by 0.2. Leave it false again, click OK. Come up here and click it again, and it'll ask for the comma and then value if false. Go to logical test again, and another one will come up. It'll say if the value in cell B2 is greater than or equal to 80,000, we want that cell to be multiplied by 0.18. Now if it's false, we want to put in no bonus because they got no bonus. However, you could put in a value such as 0, but for our purposes we're just going to use words. Click OK, and it'll run, and it'll give us the bonus for John. Use the fill handle to double click, and it'll bring it down. As you see, Will has no bonus because he made less than $80,000 in sales. Edward got the 25% bonus because he made $100,000 of sales. And if you'll notice in the window, we did not absolute anything, and that's because every time the formula changes and it goes down a cell, it references a new cell for that particular person's sales data. Every time you want to add an if statement, I would not do it here where I've highlighted. Instead, click the logical and put if. It brings up this dialog box. It makes it a whole lot easier. It tells you what you want. You just type it in, and it does the syntax for you. That's it. Hope this works out for you guys, Wiggle.